This is the today's toys that we got out. We've got my tracer, we've got the Ducati, and then 2 other tracers. So the plan is to go to Peak District, and just basically there's going to be like a bike event or bike meet happening over there. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. Let's go. Now that's cooked as well. Oh my days. Yeah, bro's unfit. What bike is it? I can see it's BMW obviously, but
it's 1970 or 80/7, that is, mate.
Oh, wicked. My flipping indicator fell off, so we'll just put it on and we're good to go. With all this madness going off right now, they've only got this one. I can't lie, I prefer the V-Power. We're gonna have to do it, aren't we, boys? So yeah, what I just wanted to say, we're just on the motorway. The indicator just flew off. I didn't even know, obviously, because I'm paying attention to the road. So we just pulled up, put the indicator on. Seems to be good. So we're just here now, get some fuel. So then, boys, I don't know how far we are. I can't lie, I've never been this way. We're just following the main man in front. Bro's got there, obviously, sat-nav and everything. Just gonna take us a different way. So far, so good. Well, I can't lie, I don't know how far or how long we've got left. It's cruising, we're just cruising, boys. Hold on, let me just clean you lot up. I can't lie, my visor's so mucky and just all the stuff flicking off from the road. I can't see nothing as much. But I can't lie, it's getting a bit foggy as well though, at the same time, or misty, or whatever you want to call it. Come on, boys, it's not looking good, but it's what it is, isn't it? Well, I'm just so tempted to just get my hand and just, smudge it, but I'm just going to make it worse. You can see it on the camera, but damn, it's fucking, boys. I don't know if the guy's pulling out or I don't even know, but the visibility is crazy right now. Jesus Christ. Snoop Doggy Doggy out here, my friend. Snoop Doggy Doggy's out in the woods, isn't it? My days, look at that. Look at the views. Look at the views. Jesus Christ, that laugh was crazy as well, I can't lie. Can't see nothing, boys. Oh my days, man. Crazy. Look at them views. Look at the views. Oh my days. Look at that now. Obviously I don't know how, again, now that's cooked as well. But obviously I don't know how well the camera can pick it up. But you can just about see the cars. So look like we're going to be doing a vegan ride today, boys. But as I'm saying, I put my visor on it, it's even worse. Brother, it's not very good, brother. Well, like I said, I'm so tempted just to smudge it, but I bet the camera's cooked as well. I need to focus because like, I can't see much. Right, hold on, let me fix you lot. Shout out to all the viewers, man. I've got to look after you boys, got to look after you boys. Boys, look a bit better. This is cooked though. There we go, boys. This is what I like to see. Oh no, I got my full beams on. Brother, don't be flicking nothing at me. Can't go wrong with peaks. Oh my god, my visor's so cooked. I'll slap it down here so you lot could hear me better. But at the same time, hold on. I'm smudging it. I'm gonna have to, I can't see nothing. Oh, that's a bit better, but it's like, it made it worse but better at the same time. That don't make no sense, does it? But it's alright. Oh, shout out the potters. Oh yeah, we've got some guys on dirt bikes. Come on, boys. Boys. What the fuck's that? We've got some real horsepower here, boys. Some proper horsepower. A lot of V-twin horsepower. Come on. I just want to say, I can't lie, I'm hungry, boys. I'm absolutely hungry. I'm hoping there's gonna get some food or whatnot there. Quick coffee, or you know how it is, quick coffee, quick burger. Keep yourself going. She's been fed, I need to get fed now. Come on, boys. Nate's trying to get a V-Power. See, I'm the same, but I can't lie. I don't want to risk it, you know, run out of fuel. What is that? BMW what? Oh no, look at that, boys. But anyway, what I want to say is trying to get V-Power. That's what I was trying to get as well. I prefer to put V-Power in this anyway. Keep it clean. I'm gonna have a look at the vintage thing, I am. See what that is, man. Some BMW. How you doing, mate? You alright? What bike is it? I can see it's BMW, obviously, but
it's 1970 or 80/7, that is, mate.
Oh, wicked. Looks nice, though.
Yeah, a few tweaks here and there.
What's it? Is it good to ride? Everything seems to be good. Yeah. Look clean, mate.
Engines, aren't they? Very slow, lazy engines, mate.
What CC is it?
It's 1,000, mate.
Is it 1,000? Yeah. Wow. Looks like I've been everywhere on this. How long you had it for? Have you? Looks nice, mate. Looks nice.
Spent a lot of money and time on it, mate, getting it to being an all-weather waterproof bike.
It does the job, right?
Yeah.
Does the job.
That's enough for me. They're only about 60 off, mate, but
Yeah, that's all you need, don't you, really?
I like the smaller lanes,
Yeah.
tiny roads, you know what I mean? You spend all day, mate, just
Yeah.
dropping up miles on smaller roads, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What we're looking for, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice though.
Taller, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Looks nice, mate. Like I said, I just pulled up. I was like, this looks a bit different. So I just thought, come have a word with you, see what bike is and everything. Looks nice though, mate. Something different, isn't it? Well, obviously. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Nice for that bell. Yep. I can't lie. This helmet, yeah. I'm either getting deaf or I don't know. I may seem like I was rude a little bit, but or awkward, shall I say? I can't really hear what it's saying to me, innit? I think it just says like 1970 something. I can't lie, I couldn't hear him much, bro. Just speaking quietly, but fair enough to him. He gets shot. Oh shit! Alright, my friend. Yeah, fair enough. We're gonna continue. Seeing quite a few bikes going up there already. We're just gonna continue. I don't feel that far off now, to be honest. Woohoo! Yeah, we're definitely not far off now, boys. Oh yeah, I forgot to say as well. I seen a policeman on a bike. I think it was an MX or I don't know, the BMW Bot Adventure version, the big thing. I was like, I looked behind me. It's like, is that the, you know, is that the boys? Bro was like, yeah. I was like, oh my god, bro, is that the moving? I was trying to look for that. That lady bowed down. These flipping bottles, man. I look away and go, boom! Yeah, I know. I can remember where we are now. Obviously, they got Snake Pass. If I'm right. Ah, yeah. So yeah, we're here now, boys. We're here. The weather's beautiful as well. It's about 35 degrees. Hot. Very hot. As you can see, sun's out, bike's out. So good, boys. So good. Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Oh, man, there's a lot of bikes. Oh, is it? Ah, there's a few bikes there. There's a few bikes here, boys. There's a few bikes here. I want to put my bike this way, facing the road, so my plate's out the way. I don't mind pulling. Oh yeah, look, bros are flipped as well. See, not the only one, man. Not the only one. It's active here, I can't lie, it's active. Right then, boys, there's a couple of stuff going off here. They got me hyped up. We're good. Come on, boys. YouTube and everyone else, these are disclaimer, trained professionals. I'm gonna try and catch up with the people. I got a bit too gassed up. Tracy, she's a good girl, man. I like this bike. She's a good girl. She's supposed to smile on my face. Gonna have to try and find the boys now. But if you're still here watching the video, like I keep saying, I appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Also, if you wouldn't mind, smash the subscribe button, like it, share it, comment it. Trying to get out there as much as possible. And then if this is one of my first videos that you've seen, please check out the channel. You know, there's gonna be traveling, riding different bikes, everything. I don't even know where them lot gone now, actually. Where are them lot gone? I don't know where they've gone. They've gone past me. I put my hand up saying I'm going to spin around, and then I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, I see him, boys. I see him. I see you, boys. I see you. Yeah, man. I was getting warmed up, man. I was ready for some more. Oh.
That's why I was just moving. I'm waiting for it to catch up.
Did you not see me?
Huh?
Did you not see me? I'm saying, when I pressed you, innit?
Yeah.
Did you not see me?
That's it. I thought you'd turn around and go back anyway.
I was trying to go back for some more.
Poppers.
Huh?
Please.
No. Yeah. These roads here are absolutely banging. Nice little bendy roads. Yeah, if I'm going back now, I don't know. I'm trying to get some food more than anything. All over my face, bro. I'm trying to get a thing with my man here next to me, man. Oh, I think I've lost him again. I'm catching up. There they are, boys. Good morning, Vietnam, boys. Yeah, I can't lie, I was so close to go back over there. I'm thinking, I bet they pulled up. I'm kind of glad I went with my instinct and just kept going. Size of the mountain, though, massive. Massive, boys. See, I won't mind doing like climbing or whatever the word is, adventuring or something like that. You can see there's like, hold on. There's like paths we're going up. Oh, I might be wrong, innit? No, tell a lie. Shout out to me, man. I'm moving mad. There's some lakes, whatever you want to call it, riverfall, waterfall, whatever, man. You know what I'm trying to say anyway. I thought they're paths, but they're not. Yeah, man. Shout out to me. Shout out to me. Wow, man. Oh, it's a girl. Bro, it's a girl as well. Oh, shout out to her, bro. I can't lie. Shout out to her. Oh, damn, bro. Oh, buzzing. Oh, the mist is coming back, or the fog, whatever you want to call it. It's foggy again. We've got some boys behind us. My visor's cooked. What's saying down there? Woo! It'd be kind of peak, you know, flying down there, boys. It'd be kind of peak. for some water features. Don't get me wrong, I would go down there, but I can't lie, in these kind of wellies, yeah, I'm not really trying to go down there. Look like someone's been drifting down there. I'd go a bit closer for you lot, unless I can try to go around or something, see what's saying. Let me just take the key out the back and I'll go up a bit closer for you. Instead of trying to get that way, I'm gonna go up that way, see what's what. Beautiful, boys, beautiful. These lot talking to Steve, George, Michael, I don't know, they're just having a chat about the joint or whatever. I want to go up there. I've got no grip with these boots, couldn't get my words out then. I'm gonna probably cut some of this out. I'm gonna be breathing like a flipping tank. Oh yeah. Come on, boys. If I'm breathing loud, yeah, exercise and that. Come on, boys. My legs are killing me already though. Oh my days. Yeah, bro's unfit. Yeah, this is the view, boys. Oh man. Heavy breathing, long spaghetti. I'm nervous, I'm out of breath, I'm unfit. I'm just waffling. No, I can't, I'm mashed up now. Got the guys come out in a drone. Oh man. I see it. Bro's coming out with a drone. I'm heavy breathing, bro, it's mad. Come a bit closer, buddy, come a bit closer. Yes, that's it. Trying to hold my breath in. No, I can't do that. Run out of breath. Yeah. Whew. Come on, boys. I can see you taking a picture. Let's do some flexing. This is today's vlog. Side quest complete. Let's see if we get any higher in this. Nah, I don't know, man. I think that's it. I'll chill here, boys. I'll chill here. Too bad it's a bit foggy and that. Try to get the bikes. I don't mind doing stuff like this, climbing and whatnot. Maybe biking and climbing, or biking and hiking, whatever the word is. Yeah, I'm gonna go back before I'm gonna go forward down there. Ooh. Gonna be heading back, maybe like towards home. We're gonna be heading back home, I guess. But might be getting something to eat, or even a coffee, whatever, hot drink. And I was gonna be heading home. We're just gonna see what happens else. Obviously, if you're still there watching it, I appreciate that. Right then, boys and girls, we just pulled up to Matlock. We're just gonna get something to eat or whatever. Nays over there, so just see what's happening. Busy boys, busy. So we're just here, boys. Lads got some food, and then me, I just got a pint. Oh yeah.